Hello, hello. Nakamay? Nakamay ta? Ay!
Paano yung lagi nagugulat? Very smart girls. Very smart.
Yun o! Sana din siya. Hindi para umaklap ako dito. Tabi lang nga natin yung mic na yan. Thank you po. Hello po.
Regina pala.
Thank you po.
Regina.
Salamat. Hindi ko na lang gagawin. Ay, beses ko na nakita.
Po, kamusta? Laban lang po. Miss Nessa, good evening.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do help us promote our film, P77, July 13 na po, out in cinemas nationwide. Thank you, Direk! Salita ka, Jen!
Maraming David. Babs,
She never fails to surprise us, right? Kahit alam naman na natin na magaling si Barbie. Pero ganun pa rin. This one is a different genre. And for her to, star in a film na she's alone.
Grabe! Napapunod ko lang kayo. Bianca, Dasin, bago sing kamustahin muna yung mga nandito ngayong gabi. Kamusta kayo lahat? Rinig ba?
Dustin!
Hi guys, good evening. Thank you sa pag-support kay Barbie, of course. Barda, hello sa inyong lahat.
Hi everyone! Grabe ang daming tao. Mula dito sa harap hanggang sa
Yes.
likod. All for Ate Barbie.
Oo.
Kaya naman mahal na mahal natin lahat si Ate Barbie. So thank you for being here to support her.
At syempre maraming salamat din Bianca, Dustin, at grabe yung
And this is something new to offer to this movie, yung P77, kasi hindi lang siya horror. Sa thriller, psychological, it's also family din, of course.
Ang dami ko na nakabot na Alam niya yan.
Yes.
Okay, here naman po.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Kasi wala akong perfect na picture. Galing ka.
Okay lang.
May future ka. Galing.
Yes. Okay. Sige, sige.
Ilang nood ka na?
Ha?
Ilang nood ka na?
Pangalawa to. More pa. Hindi, wala. Sa 31. Uy! Kaya
Kumain ka ulit ko.
Thank you! Thank you! Ako din eh. Actually. Alam ko na si Luna. Ayun na nga! Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sobrang couple.
Lesbian Barda.
I am really extremely proud of her. Alam naman natin na this is, I mean, in case you guys don't know, ito talaga yung dream ni Barbie, to star in the movie and for her to, excel and exceed our expectations as always. Nothing but praises. Really happy for her.
If you have a message for Barbie, kunwari si Barbie itong kausap mo.
Hey Barbie, just wanna say na napakagaling mo. I'm just so happy na na-reach mo yung dream mo of, like starring in a film like this. And yeah, I hope to work with you soon again. Nakaka-miss eh. Pag nakita ko si Barbie na iba yung ka-eksena niya, parang, ano ba to? Hindi ko, joke lang, but yeah, I'm really happy for you.
Bakit na lang po kailangan manood ng tao?
Parang malapit.
Well, it's entertaining, number one. Number two, it will give you different emotions. Lastly,
Hi everyone! We're in
maraming lessons, di ba? I feel like yung own interpretation ko of this movie is it's about mental health. Na what if, like a person is suffering from a mental health issue and hindi natin alam kung what if ganito pala, magpapasok sa head niya, di ba? Again, hindi ko yun alam, maybe lang, it's my own interpretation. So I think it would be nice to, to always remember to be nice to everybody. Ang daming nice, but yeah.
Kinabahan ka. P77.
Ayan, sana kaya nyo.
Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! We're watching all of you to watch P77.
Panoorin niyo yan dahil marami kayong matututunan at for sure na matatakot kayo sa movie na to.
Plus, sobrang galing ni Ate Barbie. As in. First, honestly, I was just expecting it to be a normal horror movie. Pero then again, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, napakaganda ng mensahe ng pelikulang ito. I think it's very important for every Filipino to watch a film like this, something that spreads awareness for all of us, and a film that really tackles such topics. So, napakaganda, sobra.
Ang daming twists ng movie na to. Ang daming learnings. Grabe din yung acting ni Barbie dito, grabe. Mas lalo akong namangha sa kanya this time. Nakaka-proud at grabe, panoorin niyo to, must watch.
Ako, hindi siya one word, but I guess full of surprises.
So, bakit po kailangan panoorin yung P77 ng mga Pilipino?
Of course, ang daming learnings, daming awareness na kailangan natin ma-remind dito sa movie na to. Isa na lang rin yung love for family, of course.
Dahil mong alam, boy. Sa third wheel daw ako. The edition ko dito is about mental health.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. What if gaya pa rin ng P77? What if gano'n yung pinagdadaanan ni Bianca Kaitas? Di ba? Na sa ulo. Di ba? So, kailangan natin maging mabait sa lahat ng tao.
Kailangan natin maging understand.
In Jesus' name.
Uy, ikausap ka dito.
David.
Dustin.
Patabi nyo ba ito? Patabi nyo ba?
Ha?
Ano ba ito na masabi
Lesson is to
77?
learn. Joke lang. Marami tayong pwedeng matutunan dito. Di ba? Kasi nga. Well, as always,
Lenin Manila.
Lenin Manila.
Lenin Manila.
Lenin Manila.
PSD ba? Jamie ito for Jamie. Sige po.
Dito nyo naabangan kasi dito kami lalabas.
Pabilis lang ha. How was the film?
Sobrang ganda ng pelikula.
Kaya na P77, di ba? Na it's scary, it's just out of this world, di ba? So, it's just nice to be good to everybody. And yeah, be there for your loved ones.
Dave, ano namin?
Parang ingatin.
Ano po masasabi niyo sa movie at sa acting po ni Miss Barbie?
So, sa movie, ang ganda, to be honest. Ang ganda na cinematography. The whole feel of the movie is nice, and more importantly, maraming lessons. I mean, the way you see it, hopefully, let's see.
Message mo naman sa akin.
Hey, Barbie, really proud of you. Sorry, gusto namin pang ikaw to win projects dahil di ba? Marami kasing lessons yung movie, in my opinion. And
Tignan mo, sino make-up sa'yo? Ikaw lang.
yeah, feeling ko it's a must watch.
Magkakaroon ba ng movie sa inyo?
Sir David. Sama ko si Star.
Hello! Oo. Kamusta ang pelikula? Nakaka-proud siya.
And the Barbie is so good.
Pops.
Hey.
What can you say about her acting? What can you say about her acting?
Well, that's all.
That was really good. Thank you, Dusty. Thank you, Bianca.
James, musin mo. Salamin. Ng pelikula, kaya guys, panoorin niyo na po yung P77. It's not just a horror movie, but it spreads awareness as well. And I think it's very important for all of us, lalo na mga kababataan, to watch this. So, ayun.
Ang galing ni Bianca and Barbie, no?
Abo.
Barbie ang
Must watch.
Must watch. Abo.
And of course, si Cry.
Anong balita?
Hindi po, siguro for me yung message po ng buong film is that yung pagmamahal ng magkapatid and then more than that ay matuto tayo patawarin yung sarili natin kapag kinakailangan na.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Yun o. Dami nag-stay.
Hello. Uy! Hello po. Hello po. Hello. Hello po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So that was P77 pong pelikula namin. Sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo. Like I said a while ago, it is an alternative narrative horror film, pero marami ho kaming tinakal na contemporary issues at sana po ay wag natin kaliligtaan kamustahin ang mga luna sa buhay natin dahil at the end of the day,